Sir, my screen is already being shared and it is visualized, sir.
Yes, ma'am, it's Vijay. Over to you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, before starting the session, I must thanks to Pritisha ma'am. She has given me an opportunity, and because of Rajesh sir, he boosted me by any best mentor ever. So let's start understanding social entrepreneurship. And in this slides, I just want to share some. So here, transforming societies, sustaining futures, the power of social entrepreneurship for sustainable development. Actually, before start explaining my paper through PPT, I really appreciate the papers which I thoroughly read and using as reference. These are by Phillips W. and Alexander. Going it alone won't work. Peredo and Newt, Resistance to Social Entrepreneurship. Mayer, Limkin, Curlin, and Abraham, The Governance of Social Enterprises. Dufes, Coy, and Back, Connecting the Dots for Social Value. Andre and Alward, From Caring Entrepreneur to Caring Enterprise. In second slide, understanding social entrepreneurship. Here I am mentioning innovation, develop new solution, tackle societal development, societal problems effectively and efficiently. Sustainability, ensuring long-term impact by balancing economic, social, and environmental needs. Scalability, design initiatives that grow and replicate to reach broader audience. The interaction of social entrepreneurship and sustainable development by United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs, sustainable development, the 17 goals they actually worked on. SDG 1, basically social development goal, first no poverty. Next is SDG 2, zero hunger, good wealth, well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitization, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry innovation, and infrastructure. In SDG 10, reduced inequalities. In 11, they talked about sustainable cities and communities. In 12, they ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns. In SDG 13, they talked about climate action. In SDG 14, they work on life below water. And in SDG 15, life on land. Next, peace, justice, strong institutions. Last, partnership for the goals. Entrepreneurial process require opportunity exploitation and resource combination. Social entrepreneurship is exercised where some person or group aims at creating social value in some prominent way, shows capacity to recognize and take advantage of opportunities to create that value, employ innovation ranging from outright invention to adapting someone else novelty, also willing to accept an above average degree of risk in creating social value, and unusually resourceful in being relatively undaunted by scarce assets in pursuing their social venture. In next slide, models of social entrepreneurship. Non-profit social entrepreneurships are there, for profit social entrepreneurship, and hybrid models are also there. Whenever we talked about non-profit social entrepreneurship, focuses on mission-driven approaches without profit motives, prioritizing social goals. Whenever we talked about for-profit social entrepreneurship, addressing social issues, merging business objective with social impact. Hybrid models combining elements of non-profit and for-profit sectors, leveraging strength of both to maximize social impact. Social enterprises are the organization founded, owned, or managed by social entrepreneurs. The organization have multiple legal forms such as foundations, cooperatives, and limited liability companies. Separate organizational forms are low limited liability company, L3C we can say also, and benefit and corporation, B Corps are to be known, and community interest company, CICs. As far as I talked about, founder of Goonj, Anshu Gupta, is a unique social enterprise. It deals with the issues of clothing and other basic needs of people in the rural India. Urvashi Sahani, founder of Chef. We talked about Harish Hande, founder of Selco, as well as Ravi Shankar, founder of Foundation of Excellence India Trust. Shelly Batra, founder of Operation Asha. Zubeda Bai Foundation, founder of ICE, and Madhu Pandit Dasa, founder of Akshay Patra Foundation. And whenever talked about Lakshmi Menon, founder of Pure Living, Satyen Das, founder of Lee for Word. Basically, I'm talked about all these from India. Dhruv Lakra, founder of Miracle Couriers, and Anu Sridhan, founder of Next Drop. In the fifth slide, key factors for successful social entrepreneurship: community engagement, local communities are trust and relevance; innovative finances, leveraging impact investing and crowdfunding to support initiative. This is done by Mayer and Marty researchers in 2006 also. Capacity building, develop skills and leadership within community to ensure effective leadership by Carlin in 2013. The third sector problems, such as housing problems of marginalized groups and reintegration of individuals into the workforce. Social entrepreneurship and its five subconcepts are social value creation, the entrepreneur, the organization, market orientation, and social innovation. And now I'm talking about challenges facing social entrepreneurs: funding constraints, regulatory barriers, capacity building challenges. In funding constraints, limited access to capital hinders growth and sustainability, impacting project execution. And whenever we talked about regulatory barriers, complex legal framework can stifle innovation, making difficult to navigate requirements. Capacity building challenges, critical need for ongoing training and support to enhance skills and operational capacity. Social entrepreneur basically social entrepreneurs has motivation, traits, identities, and skills also. Hiring new members are hard to hire with right background, or to train and socialize young people who may lack of experience. Therefore, future research is to investigate human resource management basically. Next, I am talking about case studies of impactful social enterprises, renewable energy initiatives. In this, a project in rural areas to sustain energy solutions and enhancing energy access. Sustainable agriculture initiatives focus on urban food system, promoting eco-friendly agriculture practices to ensure food security. Education and empowerment initiatives in this target marginalized communities to enhance educational outcomes and empower individuals through learning. Two-sided value model, for example, buy one give one, such as Tom's shoes. Yeah, market oriented work model, for example, work integration social enterprises, where beneficiaries create products or services in exchange of finance value. One sided model, beneficiaries are the actual customers and pay the product or service. Social oriented work model is similar to one sided model, but different in the sense that beneficiaries are also included in economic activity of the firm, like in a work integration social enterprise. Methodological approach to analyzing social entrepreneurship. This literature review. In literature review, comprehensive analysis of existing research on social entrepreneurship and sustainable development. Case studies, in-depth investigation of successful initiative to derive insights on effectiveness. Surveys and interviews, gathering primary data from social entrepreneurs to understand challenges and perspective. Social value creation is associated with the term social impact, social change, or social transformation. It is generated depends on the values, characteristics, skills, and capabilities of both social entrepreneur as well as their organization. the social values created and shared with wider network in which organization is embedded. It included ecosystem stakeholders, for example, beneficiaries, donors, institutions, commercial partners, and return to society. Thematic insights from research findings, community engagement vital for success of social initiatives, innovative fostering participation and support, innovative financing essential for the sustainability of projects enabling long term impacts, capacity building critical for empowering local leaders and ensuring effective execution. In my 10th slide, I am showing future directions for social entrepreneurship research, scaling impact, investigation, investigating strategies for replication and partnership to amplify social impact, effectiveness of models, examine the success of non-profit, for-profit, and hybrid models to determine their effectiveness, technology's role, exploring how digital tools can enhance social entrepreneurship initiative for better outcomes. Conclusion, the path forward. Community engagement, ensuring the solution meet local needs, innovative financing, social entrepreneurship efforts and drive impact, funding challenges, social entrepreneurship to innovate and create change, collaborative efforts, collaboration of policymakers, practitioners, and scholars to support ecosystem. Social enterprises develop social innovation. It covers internal organizational activities as well as activities in relation to stakeholders and beneficiaries. This is the flaw that we cannot consider in social enterprises, because internal organizational activities we are not bothering, and the activities with the stakeholders and beneficiaries we are not talking. We only talk in this topic that we have to do social entrepreneurs, we have to become, or we have to ignite some social entrepreneurships so that a new generation can get benefited. Thank you. This is That's all from my side.